Good evening, planning committee members. Thank you for the opportunity to speak. The last time we met, many people who supported the industrial power plant spoke on personal property rights. So I'd like to raise some concerns that goes beyond technical details and directly affects the people of this county and the risk of eminent domain and the pressures it creates for landowners. The draft resolution as written does not hand out eminent domain powers, that's clear. But when we look closer at the requirements, project maps, we can see several ways in which landowners are still put in the position where their rights are threatened. First, transmission lines and substations. The resolution allows above-ground generation tie lines to connect to the solar power plant, to utilities and substations. These lines are permitted to run off-site through right-of-way and easements. If those corridors are across the property of non-participating landowners, utilities turn to state-level eminent domain to secure them. That means families could lose control of their land simply because it lies in the path of someone else's project. Second, the project boundaries and unified permits, project extent and unified special use permits. The resolution defines project extent broadly covering the entire rectangle that surrounds a project footprint that requires that all parcels within the project be treated as part of the integrated permit. On paper, that sounds efficient. But in practice, it means the farm located outside or alongside those boundaries could be boxed in by a project they never agreed to join. This isn't technically a legal taking, but it creates the same kind of coercive pressure. Third, access roads and easements. SOAR projects must include haul routes, new access roads, and utility easements as part of their site plans. And if most direct and practical route cuts across a non-participating farm, that landowner may face heavy pressure to grant access or risk losing their strip of land through condemnation. These provisions, while necessary for project planning, also expose unwilling landowners to the risk of forced intrusion. The heart of the matter of this property rights are not negotiable. No landowner should ever be put in the position of losing their ground, their access, or their peace of mind because of an outside pressure. Our homes and our farms are more than just lines on a map. They are the results of years of work, sacrifice, and commitment. They are meant to be passed down, not taken away. So the question before us isn't how to make projects easier to build. The question is whether the people of Jackson County can count on their leaders to defend their rights. This resolution must put landowners first, making it clear that their property cannot be taken away, surrendered, or pressured in service of private development. That is the standard of fairness our county deserves.
I'm sorry, Mr. Martin.